This is Lenny from A. Lenny Locksmith. All right, I got right here a Volkswagen ignition. All right, I don't have the actual ignition on there, but I'll go through it on the next video when I'm at the junkyard with it in my hand. I'll show you how to take it off. It's off, the ignition part. Now this is the housing. This is always where the problem is when the key won't turn. So I'm going to show you how to fix it. Okay, it's pretty simple. Okay, one, you come right over here. There's this one clip right here, this white one. Come right here, lift it up, take it out. Okay, other piece, just go like this and it falls out. Okay, I'm gonna do this pretty fast because got things to do today. I just turned it to the left. You could see you could grab it like an ignition. And now come in and take that up almost. Hold on. There we go. I just turned it so I can grip it. And now this piece came out. Now, if this is ever busted, get yourself another housing because you need that piece. All right, now you take this out and there's another clip in there, but I could leave that clip in there for right now. Usually they both pop out. All right, now right here, this comes out. Put this back in. That's not that it's not supposed to, but you gotta keep that in. All right, usually now when I did that, I would shake it out and this piece would come out cracked. Now this ignition wasn't broken and I took it apart 10 minutes ago. This would become broken up. And obviously there's no pieces in there. As you can see, nothing, and you can wipe it down, but this is a brand new ignition, so there's nothing that's gonna be wrong with it. Now, let's put it back together. Now say we got the piece out, it's all good. Come over here. Now, there's a big, I got it. 1 second, let's put that back in there. Okay, there's a spot for the big spring and the little spring. You can see it. It goes right in there. All right, so that's in, very simple. Okay, secondly, let's get the spring in here. Just stuck it right back in the hole. Okay, now this piece right here, just get it in there. Now I'm gonna get the screwdriver, just keep twisting. Now I'm pushing down with this to play with it. Hold on, I don't like the way that felt. Put it in again, hold this. See, I'm making it so that thing could go right in the hole back there. Okay, so that's why you gotta press in. And then once it catches, which it seems like it did, yeah, that's actually good. Okay. No, I don't like that. Got to play around with, so when you turn it to the right, it actually goes down like that. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, perfect. Okay, now when I put this piece in, for some reason, I keep it like that, but I'm gonna keep it like that. Let's see if we can line it up. So I gotta line this piece up. This piece with the spring goes in that second hole right there, that big hole. But let me just see if I can line this up. If I can't, what I gotta do is I gotta turn this. Hold on. All right, perfect. So let me see if that did it. No. I'm gonna have to go to the unlock position. Okay. And let me just see how that is. So I can line that up as best we can. Right there, like that. Oh, yeah, like this more. Keep that like that. When I play around with it anyway, it's gonna go anyway. See, I'm just going back and forth till it caught and it actually pressed down, but that seems like it went good. Hold on. Sometimes you got to just play around with it left to right. Sometimes it gets stuck like it did. And then if that happens, just take it right out and then go in here. I mean, it's a pain in the ass sometimes getting it. I notice sometimes when I turn that right there like that. See, that's what I wanted right there. So that side stays like that, but let's see, because I might have to switch it. It's all about just getting it right in there. Put that right in there. See, this piece sometimes can be a pain in the ass. Right here. Once that goes out like that, I usually take it right out. The whole key is lining it up. Yeah, just put pause. Well, I got the piece in perfectly. You just got to play around with it so that you know that when you go to the lock position, that thing pops up. And when you go to the start position, that shuts down. Now that's all good. Now after that, last piece, get this piece in. And let's actually I put it the opposite way. Oops. All right. And it's really pretty simple. It's just playing around with the thing. So it's perfect, but it actually, you see how fast it took me to do. It takes you about 10 minutes to do. Put it so it's faced up like that, those two things. They catch on the bottom there, which they did, right there. Now everything's all done. And say if you had the ignition in there, excuse me, you had the ignition in there, that's, you know, to shut the car off. That's turning it on for the steering lock, and it's perfect. And you are all done.